In this video, I am going to show you how to trade on JustMarkets trading platform. So log into your JustMarkets app and it will bring you to this page. You can locate it under the lower left hand corner of the menu under accounts. So you are going to the top middle part of your screen or your app. Click this drop down icon and you are going to select the account that you want to use for trading. So you can trade directly from this app, which is why I am making the video. You can also link your JustMarkets trading account to MT5. I have made a video about that. It will appear at the top right hand corner. So if you are here, you are going to select the account that you want to use for trading on the app. You can click the reel. You can see all your real accounts here, or you can click the demo if you want to practice on the demo before going to the real account. Is all the same. The difference is that the demo, you can't remove money from it, but it helps you because you are using fictitious amount of money. So it's not real money. You are using it in order to learn your strategy and to learn the platform, how you trade on it before using your real money. For the purpose of this video, I am going to use that of the demo to show you how to use the JustMarkets trading platform. So click and select the demo account. It will bring you to this page. This is how you will see it. Now, I want to also warn you, you cannot directly trade on the JustMarkets trading app if you are using MT4 account. Now, if I click this drop down, you can see that it is written MT5 here, which means at the time that I was creating this demo account, I selected MT5 as the platform. If you don't know how to do this, I have made a video showing you that it will appear at the top right hand corner. So if you come to the reel, you will see that there is MT4 here, which means if you select this one, you cannot trade directly. That's why they are writing for you no in-app trading for MT4 accounts. So in-app trading of JustMarkets is only available for MT5 accounts. So I am going to select the demo and it's on MT5, so it will allow me. I am just telling you this because you may try it with MT4 and you won't find the same functionality that I am showing in this video. So once you are here, you are going to the option of markets in the middle part of the lower part of your app, markets, or you can see the option of open position. You can either use the open position or the markets. I will click and it will bring you to all the markets that are available for this particular trading account that you selected. The trading instruments available on the standard account will be different from the ones that are on the pro account. You can scroll because they have been grouped into categories. They are the popular ones that people trade, the top movers, those ones that move fast, and the metals like gold, silver. You have crypto, you have the major Forex pairs, you have indices, you have stocks, commodities, exotics, and the minors. You have all of them, okay, on this standard account. So you can create a different one, especially for the crypto. Some cryptos may not be available on standard, they may be available on pro. That is how different types of trading accounts affect the instruments that are available for you. So you can select any one that you want to trade here. So let's go to the Forex pairs, the majors. We can click. So when you come over to the majors, you are going to click the one that you want. Let's use the Euro USD. Just tap on it and it will bring you to this page showing you the chart. This is where the chart is, and there are specifications like more information regarding what you are trading, like the properties of that trading pair, such as the lot sizes, the swap, and everything. This specification will show you. You can see the time that the market is open, the contract sizes, commissions. You can see everything regarding the Euro USD here that the broker has set. but we are more interested in the chart because the chart will help you to analyze your positions. Even though I analyze my positions, or I analyze every instrument on TradingView, then I come over and take the trade here, or I will take it on MT5 if I have connected the trading account to MT5, because the TradingView is wider for me on a system compared to a mobile device. Now, the one that is provided by JustMarkets is also the same as TradingView, just that some functionalities may be limited, but it's the same. As you can see the logo here. So if you come over here, you are going to click this tiny button at the top right hand corner to enlarge the screen for you. Tap it and you can see it enlarges it for you. Over here you will see 1M, which means the time frame of 1 minute. So every candlestick you are seeing here is representing 1 minute. What is happening in 1 minute? You can click to change. So you can scroll to change it maybe to 5 minutes or 30 minutes. If you want it to be under your favorite, you can tap this star to make it your favorite, and then you select the ones that are your favorite time frames, and they will appear here on your chart. Here is where you can change the candlesticks, the types of charts. So if you want a line chart, you can click this thing that looks like a candle at the top here. You can see it, you click it, and then you will see whether you want hollow candles or the bar candles, something like this. Okay, but the common ones are the candles. Then this FX is just simply showing you the indicators that are available that you can use. Tap and you see the indicators will appear for you. You can search them, just basically the same indicators that are on TradingView. You can click X to cancel. If you want to see the tools like trend lines, you want to see your Fibonacci tools, look at the lower part of the chart. There is an arrow at the lower part here where this TradingView logo is. I can click it and you see it brings out the tools for me. You can make use of maybe the trend line, make it as your favorite. It will appear on your chart by clicking this star. You see it here. So you can click and then you will draw it, and you will see it will draw it for you. So basically, if you want to collapse it to have more space, because I'm on a mobile device, you can use this tiny arrow that is showing back, click, and it will collapse it for you. So we have known how to use the chart and how you can analyze. Okay, so if we want to sell this market right now, you will click on this button, sell. If I want to buy, I will click this button, buy. So you see, when you click buy, it is going to bring out a form for you where you are going to fill like the lot size that you want to use. So if I am to enter this lot size now, you will click here and you can also change it. Let me enter 0.01. So directly from here, you can click and you enter for a buy immediately. But the issue is that I won't advise you to enter a trade without setting a stop loss and a target profit. It's better you may not set a target profit. You can close it when it's in profit the way you want. But for stop loss, you have to, because there's a lot of volatility in the Forex market and in crypto, in any type of trading market. So it's good you set a certain level of price where if price gets to that place, the computer will automatically close it for you so that you don't lose any money further again. Okay, that is known as a stop loss. So in order to find a stop loss, you are going to click this option, toggle it on. These other settings, you can toggle the other settings on and you will see it appearing for you. We have the option of a stop loss and a take profit. So you will see this thing of market and then pending. Market means that if you click now, it enters instantly. It doesn't have to wait for price to reach a certain level before it takes you in. Let me show you now on the screen. You see, if I click enter now for a buy, it will just take me into the market immediately. But if I'm to set a pending order, I can say if price drops to this level now of this 1.18500, it should take me in for a buy. That is known as a pending order. It's not a market order. A market order you are going to enter immediately. Okay, so that is the difference. If we are to click for a buy, we can set our stop loss to be at this 1.18500. This is just an assumption. I am not telling you that's what is done in real life, okay, because I'm not analyzing this market. This is not how I do my analysis. It's just to show you how to use this app. If you need further mentorship, my mentorship class, more information is given in the description box there. You can see everything, the amount you will pay and how the classes are held. So if you are interested, just go to the description box and check it out. So I can assume that I want to set my stop loss at 1.18500, and then our take profit, I can say I want to set it at 1.18600. Let me use this trend line to show you my levels. So it means this price level of 1.18600 is our TP, and then our stop loss is 1.18500 is our stop loss level. So we can now click on buy. Then I will click and toggle this on. Then I will now set my take profit by editing the price level that I set, 1.18600. You can see it. And then we can now go to our stop loss and set it to 1.18500. When you are done, you will now click on this confirm buy and it will take you into the market immediately. Click buy, and we are in the market for a buy on Euro USD with a lot size of 0.01. So this is how it is done. So when you do that, you can now click this back button to go back, leave the chart and go back, and then you can come under your accounts, click this account. You will see any open trade, you will see it here. Any pending order that you have set, you will see it here. Now if you don't know how to set a pending order or what pending orders are all about, I have explained it very well in detail. It will appear at the top right hand corner. So if you had closed any trade, you will see it under your closed trades. For now, it's only open trade that we have, and we entered with 0.01 lot. We can tap on it to see more information, and then we can also edit it by using this to increase our take profit point, or you can use this to reduce it, this negative, or you can edit your stop loss by reducing it further. When you are done, click on this confirm. So it has been modified. Now you can also decide that you want to close the position, so you can click this close position and it will close it for you. Or if you want to go back to the chart again to see your analysis very well, you can click these buttons that look like candles, click it, and it will take you back to the chart again. You can see even at the chart, you are seeing your position here directly on it. You see, so you can decide to click this X to close your position. See, then you click confirm close and it will close the position for you. Now if I go back again to my account, you will see under closed, the trade that we just closed is here. So this was how to trade on JustMarkets app. If you have any other question regarding how to take trades, to buy and to sell on the JustMarkets trading platform, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.